Hi, this is Melissa Chi Ellison. This is for class 151 Math, Grand Canyon University. And right now I'm going to be doing a video explaining how to solve the triangle with the law of sin. Now, what I like to do first is I like to input my stuff in different colors. Okay, so I have A equals 54. So we're going to do this lovely purple, 54 degrees. Then with this blue, I'm going to do this, and B is 98 degrees. And then I have C. Now C, it's this C, not that one. That's going to be 28. Because it doesn't have a degree sign on it. There's none there. So it's one of the smaller numbers down here. Okay. First thing I want to do is I want to figure out all three angles. So I'm going to do in purple, so my favorite colors is 54 plus 98 equals 180 plus C equals 180, sorry. So C plus 54 plus 98 equals 180. So we want to move these numbers over to the other side, okay? So I'm going to use my blue pen, and we're going to do these arrows. We're moving these guys over here, okay? So now it's going to be C equals 54 minus 98 minus 180. Actually, let me redo that. We're going to do C equals, it's going to make more sense this way. 180 minus 98 minus 54. If I do it the other way, it's going to come out negative and it's not going to be right. So this goes to show you that's very important on how you write out your formula. Any little mistake can cost you. So finally, C is going to equal 28 degrees. Okay? So now I know that big C is 28 degrees. Okay? I know that for sure. So I have my degrees. Okay, now I want to figure out what A and B are. I need to solve A and B, right? So we're going to do the law of signs. The law of signs is A equals sin over A, B equal divided by sin over B, and that is equal C over sin C. So we know what C's are, right? So we're going to do C over sin C is equal to A over sin A. Okay, keep in mind that you have to remember to write out these capitals, because if you don't, you will get extremely confused and it'll mess up your entire formula. Okay? So I'm going to plug in my stuff now. So C, if you look right here, my lower C is 28, right? So that's the one we have. So this is going to be 28 over the big C, which ironically is also 28. It's kind of funny. If you think about it, it's kind of funny. So, then 28 equals, we don't know what A is, so we're going to keep it small, but we know what the big A is. The big A is 54. So we're going to do sin 54. Now we are going to this beautiful thing called cross multiply, where we cross multiply these two, and you cross multiply these two. Okay? So, this is now going to turn into A equals 28 times sin 54 degrees over sin 28. So you're going to get a very long number when you do this in the calculator. And you want to approximate that. So you want to bring it down to the nearest tenth. So instead of doing 48.251, so and so and so, you're going to do a squiggly line, which means approximately equal to 48.3. Okay? That's our first one. So we now know the answer for A. Now we need to find the answer for B.
I need to look.
The answer for B. So what we're going to do is we're going to, sorry, that was my daughter. We're going to find B. So you can do the same thing like we did with A. With B, okay? So you're still going to do the C. So you're going to do C, so you're going to see C is 28. 28 over sin 28. And that's going to be equal to lowercase b over sin 98. Now again, what are we going to do? We're going to cross multiply. Okay? So it's going to be B equals 28 times sin 98 over sin 28. Because we cross multiplied, okay? So B is going to be approximately equal to, that's what the little squiggly line's about, 59.1. I hope that I explained this well for you. So for our answers, it was C up here. We're going to look at this again. So A was equal to 54. Little a was equal to, well, approximately equal to, really, because who wants to write that long number? Okay, and then you have B That one's approximately equal to 59.1. 59.1. And then you had C that was equal to 28. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it explained a little bit clearer what the law of sine is. Have a blessed night.